We got some worn out Craftsman stuff here. So I've driven to the local Lowe's and we're gonna see how well they handle my Craftsman warranties. The SEARS used to be awesome about it. I haven't done it in a number of years and I've never actually tried at Lowe's, so let's go in and see what I can get for my old Craftsman. I don't even know if I'm gonna ask at the front desk. I think I'm just gonna go with the used tools in my hand and just go to the tool section and pick out the replacements. Probably won't have the exact ones, but we'll see. Maybe I'll wave to them. Yeah, they're busy. We're just gonna go for it. Well, the selection's a little picked over, but I think I've matched up as close as I can. Stuff. I have to pull some of the stuff out of the big kits, so we'll see how they go about that. For these little picks and stuff that they're all broken. They swivel inside the shaft. They have since I've got them, but I've been making them work. But we'll see. We'll take them all up there and see if we can actually. They didn't have any of this exact same style, so we'll see if they'll give us these way nicer ratchets. Who knows? Find out. We'll see. We have to call someone from hardware. It's getting a little complicated, I guess. I just need to bring up everything. There you go. $180 worth of tools swapped out. That's just been sitting in my toolbox for some of them probably 10 years. But even better than the SEARS warranty because I got new ratchets. A lot of times when you had ratchets, and one of the reasons I kind of kept them is because they would just swap you out for like a refurbished one. But you know, these 122, these are way nicer. So screwdrivers and stuff, effortless. So Lowe's didn't have these, so I'm actually right next to an Ace Hardware. So let's go try out Ace Hardware and see if they have these screwdrivers and how easy their return policy is. Right, puppy? Let's go see. Stay. If I see them, I'll yell at them. Otherwise, I'll just go grab the new ones. You need to swap out some Craftsman? Can I just go grab the other ones?
Yeah, grab the replacement. Good to go.
Thanks, man. Did it? Thanks, man.
And you are good to go, yeah.
Easy enough. $13 worth of screwdrivers. They did what SEARS used to do where they take off the tags and everything. Pretty much effortless. I mean, I got all these ones from Lowe's and these two from Ace Hardware. I think Lowe's was actually easier than Ace Hardware. Ace Hardware was a little bit more particular and they had a lot less selection overall. Lowe's actually had a bigger selection, but because it's after Black Friday and before Christmas, they had a lot of empty spots on the shelf, so I wasn't able to get everything. But no issue whatsoever swapping out, you know, taking apart a bigger kit to get some of the things. Like these are never sold individually. They only had them in a kit at Lowe's anyway. They actually might have had these in individually at Ace Hardware, but went to Lowe's first. I did notice that Ace Hardware, they did have like this style of ratchet that I swapped it out for. They did have some of those, so going to Lowe's, I probably got a nicer ratchet than I probably should have, but you know, they don't really know at Lowe's. Ace Hardware probably would have known better and wouldn't have given me these nicer ratchets, but no issues whatsoever. Altogether, about $200. Easy. Easier than SEARS, I think. It doesn't matter the tool brand, they all break. It's just a matter of which ones are easiest to replace. I have Snap-on, Matco, Mac, Cornwell, Proto, all top tier brands that have all broken. I've broken all of them. And some of them are still in my toolbox because it's virtually impossible. I think the last Snap-on ratchet I had to replace took me 2 weeks because I had to give them to a cousin, and the cousin who works at the diesel shop had to wait for the Snap-on guy to come in for that week, or maybe I had missed him that week, so he had to come in the next week. Just a pain in the butt. Where, you know, if you buy box store brands, Craftsman or Husky or even Pittsburgh Pro or Cobalt or something like that, you can just go down and grab a new one. So if you break your, you know, 22 millimeter or something, you can just run right back down and grab another one and you're back to fixing it in 30 minutes. You know, I've replaced virtually every single brand. I love holding manufacturers to their lifetime warranties. If they're going to give you a lifetime warranty, they better stand behind it, and so I have made them stand behind it. And if you have a question on returning any single one, I don't think there's one I haven't returned. Down in the comments, leave me a comment. I'll let you know how I've done it and my experience with it. Maybe in the video description under the video, I'll write the brand and what my process was returning it, because I have owned every single brand out there. I don't think there's a brand out there that I don't own. I like them all. I like all tools. I'm not biased. I like them all. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Bye. Are you going to fall for the oldest trick in the book? Crocky, this is how you catch a puppy. Here we go. An Australian cattle dog loves the smell. Oh, you didn't even wait and you got caught. Oh, you're crazy.